we need to choose the correct mathematical statement. First statement given is square root of x plus square root of y equals square root of x plus y. Now this statement is not correct. The square root of a sum is not equal to the sum of the square roots. For example, if we have square root of 4 plus 9, this is square root of 13. And square root of 4 plus square root of 9 is 2 plus 3, that is 5. So these are not equal. Second statement is square root of x minus square root of y equals square root of x minus y. So this is also false. The square root of a difference is not the same as the difference of square roots. For example, square root of 9 minus 4 is square root of 5. But square root of 9 minus square root of 4 is 3 minus 2, that is 1. So this is also incorrect statement. Now this statement is correct. Square root of x multiplied by square root of y is same as square root of x multiplied by y. This is the correct answer. For example, square root of 4 into square root of 9 equals square root of 36, that is 6. This is 2, this is 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is also 6. What about the last statement? Square root of x plus square root of y. Is it lesser than square root of x minus square root of y? Taking the same example, square root of 9 plus square root of 4, which is 2 plus 3, that is 5. And square root of 9 minus square root of 4 is 3 minus 2, that is 1. So this is also incorrect. So the correct answer is option C. We need to add these two recurring decimals. So what do? Let us first convert each of them into a fraction. So 0.333, that is 0.3 bar, is nothing but 1 by 3. How did I get this? So let us assume 0.3 bar equals x. Now 10 times x would be 3.3 bar. Now if I subtract one equation from the other, this is 3 equals 9x, implies x equals 3 by 9, which is nothing but 1 by 3. Similarly, 0.45 bar, let this be x. Now 100 times x is nothing but 45.45 bar. The reason we are multiplying x with 100 in this case and just 10 with in this case is because we have only one periodicity is 1 in this case. The length of the repeating block is just 1. But in this case the periodicity is 2. The length of the repeating block is 2. So multiply with 100x. So now we have x equals 0.45 bar. So if we subtract 99x equals 45, that is x equals 45 upon 99. If I simplify by, because 9 is common in numerator and denominator, this is nothing but 5 upon 11. So one fraction is 1 by 3, the other is 5 by 11. So now I just need to do 1 by 3 plus 5 by 11, which is nothing but 33, 3 11s plus 11 into 3, so 5 into 3 is 15. So this is 26 upon 33. Now 26 upon 33 can be written as a decimal like 0.787878 and so on. So that is nothing but 0.78 bar. So C is the right answer. We need to do the subtraction 0.1222 and so on minus 0.121212 and so on. So we can clearly see that in this case 1 2 is a repeating block, and in this case just 2 is a repeating block. So let us convert each of them into fractions as we have done in the earlier problem. So this is, say x is 0.12 bar. Now because the periodicity is just 1, the repeating block, so I need to multiply with 10. So 10x is 1.2 bar, which I can write it as 1.22 bar because I can keep the bar here as well. So x is nothing but 0.12 bar. Now if I subtract, I get that 9x equals 1.1. So x equals 1.1 upon 9, multiplying 10, the numerator and denominator, this is nothing but 11 upon 90. Now converting the second fraction, let us assume that x equals 0.12 bar. Now the periodicity is 2, so I'll simply multiply with 100. So 100x is 12.12 bar. So x is 0.12 bar. So if I subtract, 99x equals 12. So in this case, x equals 12 upon 99, which is, taking 3 common, 4 by 33. So I simply need to now subtract 11 by 90 minus 4 by 33. So LCM of these two, 990. So taking 990 as the common denominator, so 90 multiplied by 11 will be 990. So 11 multiplied by 11 is 121 minus 33 multiplied by 30 would be 990. So 4 multiplied by 30 is 120. So this is 1 upon 990. So what is 1 by 990? This is nothing but 0.00100101 and so on. 01 is the repeating part. So this is nothing but 0.01001 bar. So C is the right answer.